Have you heard of Direct Flush? This will be familiar. A standard WC with a concealed flushing rim. These WCs are difficult to clean because the toilet brush cannot reach the area behind the rim. Dirt and deposits are hard to remove. Rimless WCs are of course easier to clean. However, a strip of about 8 centimeters around the top rim remains unflushed because otherwise the water might splash over the top. Don't despair, Direct Flush is here. The new generation of rimless WCs from Villeroy & Boch. Direct Flush guarantees a powerful flush and cleaning of the entire toilet bowl. Perfect cleanliness right up to the rim. The secret, a small ledge at the upper edge. It ensures that the powerful flush can clean the entire bowl without oversplashing and only using 3 or 4.5 litres. Direct Flush is hygienically clean, and we have proof. One of the leading European hygiene institutes has shown in tests that, thanks to the optimized design and in combination with Antibac, the rimless Villeroy & Boch Direct Flush WC is practically germ-free after cleaning. Direct Flush is our hygiene star, and in combination with Ceramic Plus, Antibac, and Quick Release, guarantees perfect hygiene. Direct Flush, the new generation of rimless WCs. Maximum flushing performance thanks to the intelligent water flow right up to the rim. No splashes. Simple care and immaculate cleaning and care. Very economical with water thanks to the 3 or 4.5 litres flush. So Direct Flush saves time and money. Direct Flush, already available for many Villeroy & Boch WCs.